Linking your bank account to Stash is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments and finances more effectively. Follow these steps to set up your bank connection. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Download and open the Stash app on your mobile device. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In Account Settings, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Tap on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank information, confirm the details and follow any additional prompts to verify your account. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be linked to Stash, allowing you to fund your investments easily. If you encounter any issues, consult Stash's customer support for assistance.